Hello students, welcome to online class of first year engineering mathematics. This is Dr. Kiran Poddar, Angadi Institute of Technology and Management, Belagavi. In this session, we are going to discuss an unique example of finding a radius of curvature, but directly it is not told to find out the radius of curvature. You can see the curve is given y is equal to ax by a plus x, means the curve is given in Cartesian form. They told us to show that in this entire thing we can observe there is a rho. Rho indicates the radius of curvature, means we need to solve this by using radius of curvature only. And this example is again important example, and this has asked in V2 examination of 2018. This question has appeared. Fine. So let us solve this example carefully. So very first I'll be considering the given curve y is equal to ax divided by a plus x. Then this will be differentiated with respect to x. Then it will be y1 is equal to a plus x the square. Then a plus x common. Then differentiation of ax with respect to x is a minus ax common. And differentiation of this denominator with respect to x is 1. Therefore, we can take it as this has become a into a square plus ax minus ax divided by a plus x the whole square. It get cancelled. Therefore, it is nothing but a square divided by 1 a plus x the whole square, which is the value of y1. Fine. So we have obtained the value of y1. Then after getting the value of y1, what to do? We have to consider second order, means differentiating y1 with respect to x to obtain y2. Then what is y2? Y2 is, you can see this once again, okay? Or else if you want to take it as or else let us take, no problem, a plus x the square, that square. Fine, that square. Then a plus x the square, that into differentiation of the numerator is 0 because a square, minus a square into differentiation of this is 2 times a plus x into 1 into 1. So which is equal to, this is gone. Here it is a square minus 2a square divided by a plus x the square raised to means 4. It get cancelled. Therefore what remains? Minus 2a square divided by a plus x the cube. So this is the value of y2. Clear? We obtained y2 also, now y1 and y2 both. Then let us move to radius of curvature. Therefore, radius of curvature rho is equal to 1 plus y1 square raised to 3 by 2, which divided by y2. Therefore, substitute the value of y1 and y2 in this formula of radius of curvature. Let us see what happens. Therefore, rho is equal to 1 plus y1. What is y1? A square divided by a plus x the square the whole square raised to 3 by 2, that divided by y2. y2 is minus 2a square divided by a plus x the cube. So which will be taken as? It will be taken as 1 divided by this. So a plus, this is gone, a plus x the whole cube, it comes to numerator. Then it is 1 plus, now it becomes a raised to 4 divided by a plus x raised to 4. that raised to 3 by 2. This whole thing divided by minus 2a square, which is equal to rho. Therefore, what next? Rho is equal to, let us take its LCM. If you take LCM here, then it becomes a plus x the whole cube into bracket. If you take LCM here, that is a plus x raised to 4, then it is 1 into a plus x raised to 4 plus a raised to 4, that raised to 3 by 2. Fine, this whole thing, that raised to 3 divided by 4. This whole thing divided by minus 2a square. Therefore, it can be taken as a plus x whole cube into a plus x raised to 4 plus a raised to 4, that raised to 3 by 2, divided by, I'll be taking this separate. Fine. Then minus 2a square as it is. Then this we can see a plus x raised to 4, that raised to, means a plus x raised to 4, that raised to 3 by 2. Fine. 1s are 2s are. So 2 into 3, 6. Therefore, rho is equal to a plus x the cube into a plus x raised to 4 plus a raised to 4 raised to 3 by 2. This whole thing divided by minus 2a square into a plus x raised to 6. So one term get cancelled. Therefore this is a plus x raised to 4 plus a raised to 4, that raised to 3 by 2. This whole thing divided by minus 2a square into a plus x raised to 3 after cancellation. We do one thing, we'll send this minus to other end. Okay, minus to other end. Then it becomes minus 2 times rho is equal to a plus x raised to 4 plus a raised to 4, that whole raised to 3 by 2, divided by a square into a plus x raised to 3. Fine, x raised to 3. Now what we do to remove this power will apply inverse power for this. When we apply inverse power, then it becomes minus 2 times rho raised to 2 by 3. Okay, we are applying its inverse power, reverse power, is equal to a plus x raised to 4 plus a raised to 4 divided by this a square raised to 2 by 3. A square raised to 2 by 3. Fine. This raised to, you can, if you want, you can take 3 by 2 raised to 2 by 3. Only just to show. Then it is a plus x raised to 3, that raised to 2 by 3. Therefore, 3 get cancelled. Okay, then it 2 into 4. So this whole get cancelled. Then it is a plus x raised to 4 plus a raised to 4 divided by a raised to 4 by 3 into a plus x raised to 2. This is the term. Fine. But one thing we need to keep it in our mind. We know that odd power of, even power of minus is plus. Fine. Because we know that minus 2 square will be plus 2. Minus 1 square will be plus 1. So similarly, minus becomes plus. Therefore, it is 2 rho raised to 2 by 3 is equal to a plus x raised to 4 plus a raised to 4, this divided by a raised to 4 by 3 into a plus x the square. Okay, Fine. We will be taking it as first term by second term. When we take it as first term by second term, therefore, we'll continue from here. 2 rho raised to 2 by 3 is equal to a plus x raised to 4 plus a raised to 4 divided by a raised to 4 by 3 into a plus x the whole square. Then what to do? Let us take it as the first term by denominator. First I'll be taking 2 rho raised to 2 divided by 3 is equal to 1 divided by a raised to 4 by 3 is taken out. Then it is first term by denominator. What is first term? First term is a plus x raised to 4 divided by a plus x raised to 2. Therefore it is a plus x raised to 4 divided by a plus x raised to 2. Fine. That plus second term a raised to 4 divided by a plus x the square. Fine. Which is equal to then 2 times rho raised to 2 by 3 is equal to 1 divided by a raised to 4 by 3. That into it get cancelled. Therefore it is a plus x the square plus, and it is this can be taken as a square divided by a plus x the whole square. Fine. This whole thing will be taken as equation number 1. Fine. It will be taken as equation number 1. Since we know the value of y is equal to ax divided by a plus x. Fine. It is given in the example itself. We can see here. Y is equal to ax divided by a plus x. Therefore, what is a plus x here? Which is equal to ax divided by y. Then put it in equation number 1. Then equation number 1 becomes 2 times rho that raised to 2 divided by 3 is equal to 1 divided by a raised to 4 by 3 into a plus x is nothing but ax by y. So it is ax divided by y the whole square plus a square divided by a plus x. This is the square of square. Sorry, it is taken. A plus x is ax divided by y the square. Fine. So which is equal to 2 rho raised to 2 divided by 3 is equal to 1 divided by a raised to 4 by 3 into this is a square x square divided by y square plus this is a raised to 4 divided by a square x square divided by y square. Fine. Therefore 2 rho raised to 2 divided by 3 is equal to 1 divided by a raised to 4 by 3 into you can see this get cancelled, then a square remains. That a square, if I take it outside, then it is x square divided by y square plus 1 by x square by y square. So it is y square divided by x square. Fine. Which is equal to 2 rho raised to 2 divided by 3 is equal to, if it goes to the numerator, it becomes 2 minus 4 divided by 3 into x square by y square plus y square by x square. Fine. Which is equal to 2 into rho raised to 2 divided by 3 that is equal to 2 minus 4 by 3 is 2 by 3. A raised to 2 divided by 3 into x square by y square can be taken as x by y the square plus it can be taken as y by x the whole square. Fine. Even I'll be taking it to the other end. Then it becomes 2 rho raised to 2 by 3 divided by a raised to 2 by 3 is equal to x by y the whole square plus y by x the whole square. Therefore, finally, we can see the power is same. The power remains same for this. Then it can be written as 2 rho divided by a, that raised to 2 divided by 3 is equal to x by y the square plus y by x the square. Therefore, this is the required result which contains